Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So adding music is what transforms a simple video into something engaging, emotional and professional. Since OpenArt focuses on visuals, you will add music using a simple external workflow. So in this guide I will show you step by step how to add music to OpenArt's videos in 2026. So choose your music, so pick music that fits your content types, for example, cinematic, like storytelling, upbeat for ads, social media, chill for lifestyle design, sources, for example, CapCut library, royalty-free music platforms, so music sets the mood. Okay, so download your OpenArt video, like generate your video in OpenArt, exports and download it. Okay, this is your base visual. So imports into video editor, like use CapCut or Adobe Premiere Pro. So imports your video there, imports your music file. Now you can combine both. So add music to timeline, like drag music under your video, adjust like start point, duration, match music with video length. Okay, sync music with visuals, like cuts clips on beats, match match key moments with drops, for example beat drop, like scene change, soft parts, slow motion. Okay, so sync means professional feel. Okay, you can adjust volume to lower music if you have voiceover, like balance music background and voice have to be or has to be clear focus on it. Okay, so avoid overpowering the audio. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.